Okay, guys. So today I'm going to talk about Creative Commons license. So we're supposed to know this license because, all right. So we're supposed to know Creative Commons because this is the way some of the work, some of the images, some of the websites are protected. So we have two types of copyrights. First one is very strict copyrights, meaning if you don't want your work to be shared, you have to get approval from the creator of that item. It could be an image, it could be a song, it could be a movie, whatever. But there's also another type of copyright. I wouldn't say copyright, it's called Creative Commons. So it's a category where the images are being allowed to be used in certain ways. Okay, so to get more information, let's say I posted this image. So if it's protected, if you got approval by the person who made this picture, you will be fine. But if not, you need to find out if it is falls under Creative Commons category. Okay, so for that you would want to go to creativecommons.com. And then on there, you can look up about CC licenses. When you go there, it's going to give you all the licenses list. Each license gives you a certain privileges. For instance, if you guys have CC BY, this license enables reusers to distribute, mix, adapt, and build upon the material in any medium or format, so long as attribution is given in the creator to the creator. So when you guys if image has this license options, meaning you can use it, but you still have to mention it. Okay, you have to credit it. For example, this one, CC BY SA. This license enables reuse of blah, 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 blah. So you see, each license has its additional options. And then it also includes the following elements. For example, this one. You need to include this. Credit must be given to the creator. Adaptation must be shared under the same terms. Okay, so these are all the licenses we have under Creative Commons. Now let's look up some images. So guys, apparently under Creative Commons website, there is no images. Okay, so what I suggest to you, let's say you need some images. So since the Creative Commons portal doesn't have the images, what we can do is we can look it up on Google. So what we could do is, Ashley, we could type Creative Commons and then images. It gives you the portal website where you see it says search portal Creative Commons, where you could possibly search up for the images that already been given granted common Creative Commons license, because otherwise your website will be under risk. So let's say I'm making a website about cats. What you could do is type cats, and then you take the cat image. Let's pick one, for example. Let's go with this image. Okay, so this cat image, you can download it, but before that you also need to add the name of the creator, who is Vladimir Morozov, and then also add this copy text. You see, so you can just copy this, credit the creator, just copy this and just have it under image. But first let's save the image. So save the image, and it's gonna be on your Google Drive. In your case, mine, it's gonna be on the whatever I wanted to save. Then you guys go to website, Kevin. Okay, so here I added the image. Now I need to add this image to this folder. Currently my image is on my PC, right? So what I want to do is add this image to here. This is a gray folder where all my files of my web page is. So I'm going to click on add image and upload this image here. It is going to be on my desktop. Here we go. And there is my cat image. Now close this, and then you're going to have it here. So let's refresh the page there. So you see the name of my image is not quite a good one. So let's make a right click, rename it to cat. let's say cat JPG. Now it's time to add that image. Let's say I want to add it under this one. Okay, so you see there's a horizontal line. So I'm going to add a horizontal line under this image. If you remember from the previous lesson video, you can add HR. HR adds a horizontal line. And then you scroll down, you're going to see it right here. And under that line, I'm going to add this cat image. So let's give it a little title. Let's say H3, and then Creative Commons picture. Okay, I just gave a simple name. And then we scroll down. And there it is. And under Creative Commons picture, I'm going to add the picture of my cat. So I'm going to add IMG, which is a tag of adding images. Then you're going to see SRC, the resource, and then you point at you're going to point at this cat, and let's add alt as well. Creative Commons image, and we just close the tag, and the image will appear in here. So the problem here is they want us to give a credit, right? To give a credit, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this. You see it says Home Cat by Vladimir Morozov in license under CC BY 2.0. You wanna copy this, and then you're gonna add it here under the cat. To add it on the cat, I want to use let's say H6. It's pretty small. So you add this, you close the tag, and let's see how it's going to show up. There we go, you see? So this is for this, but thing is, there's a little space. We want to remove the space from here. So what I want to do is, I think we added image spaces, margin left. There's no margin on the bottom, but still there's a little space. So what we could do is maybe change this H6 to paragraph. Let's see how it's going to look like. Yeah, it's a little better. I thought it was a tiger. Thank you for informing me. All right. So, yeah, so the problem here is my paragraph is kind of not the size I want it to be. I want it to be a little smaller. What we could do is we could change the size of my paragraph to small, but it's going to affect this paragraph as well. So that's the thing, guys. We're going to learn how to change a specific paragraph sizes, not all of them at once, in an upcoming lessons, which is a lesson, I believe, 16. All right, so that's it for today. So let's keep it as the way it is. Normally, I wanted to make it a little smaller and right under the image, but right now I don't want to go ahead. I just want to stick to what we've been learning so far. Okay, so let's keep it the way it is. So this is again giving a credit to the creator of this image, not to violate what was it called? License, creative license. Okay, this is the condition we can post this image, just crediting the person. You would remove this line, then you will be held accountable, and then you could be sued if it was a professional website, and they could charge you a lot, guys, for that. All right. So it's gonna be the second